right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Sorry, haven't been uploading a lot recently. Been just busy hanging out with people. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. I did buy this, as you can tell by the title of this video. Spent a lot of money recently on Friday. One of those things was this Milwaukee Fuel brushless multi-tool, which is actually awesome. This thing destroys wood. I was cutting some 2x4s with that, just notching it out. Also got the hard hat sticker on, so I can't wait to wear that around. But I just want to show you guys this. As you can see, I put it to work a little bit. So I already had the batteries, and it did come with one blade, but I needed a more hardcore blade. So I got one of those. I won't show you this right now. Maybe I'll make a separate video about it later, but when you go to cut through wood, it goes through super fast. I'm really impressed with this because I've used the, what is it? The Makita one before. It's super loud, super bulky, super heavy. But this one is really, really impressive. Very quiet, actually. That is on the lowest setting, which is actually really fast. But it does have a lot of, I don't know why I said super, has a lot of different speeds. So I just used it on 2 and it was doing incredible on 2, but it goes up to 12. As you can tell, it goes super hardcore. But yeah, I was using this to cut some sheetrock, to cut some 2x4s, and I'm just super impressed with this. This was 150 bucks. Didn't come with batteries, like I said, and the blade that I got was like about $16. So it does add up very quickly. So this is one of the purchases that I made on Friday for, like I said, 150 bucks. And then, what else did I get? I bought the, I've been needing this for a while. This is kind of one of the one of the items on the Union tool list. Not necessarily, but it says you need like all these nut drivers, and I could just eliminate that with this giant multi 7-in-1 nut driver. So picked this up. This was about 30 bucks at Home Depot. I had to pay tax on all this because I didn't drive to Oregon. And then lastly, I did finally do some stock investing into the, however you pronounce it, the Dogecoin or Dogcoin. So I spent about $4,448 because that's all it would let me transfer at the time. All my money was in the high yield saving account, so I'm moving that around. I was gonna drop some more money in there, but I already lost like $1,000. It dropped, but it's already gone back up. So kind of regret investing in the cryptocurrency. It is very volatile, but hopefully it'll work out in my favor. It just really sucks to see it go down like $1,000 in like a day. So anyways, gonna try to hold on to that long term. Hopefully it'll turn into something good. But right now it's just kind of giving me some stress. So got the Dogcoin for about 4,500, the multi-tool here for 150, and then the nut driver right there for another $30. So about 46 something $100. But I'll probably just round it up for the title of the video. Spent close to about 5,000 bucks on Friday, so it was an eventful day. But yeah, got just some extra parts in here I'm gonna have to take out. Got my cleats and all that good stuff. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to plan on making maybe another video today if I have some time. I want to show you guys how to do some lighting boxes and how to wire those with switch legs and all that good stuff, how to rough in some lighting boxes, residential, and then probably we'll skip the mounting the switch box just because it's the same exact thing as the plug box, just hammering it onto the stud. Anyways, guys, we'll see what the future holds for this investment. This is the first time I've ever invested in stocks, and I already regret it, or cryptocurrency or whatever, any type of investing. This is the first time I've done it. So yeah, like I said, it's very stressful at the moment, but it's more of a long-term thing, and I'm more of a cash person, as you can tell. I never had any stocks or anything like that. Just all cash, just work for my money, hold it, save it, whatever. So this is a whole new game for me, and I don't really like it. So I'm either going to hold it long term and hopefully it goes up and then I'll be rich, or I'll just wait till it gets back to what I invested, just flat rate, and then cash out and just say screw it. So either way, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'm probably going to live stream some Fortnite here in like 5 minutes. So if you see this video, look for the live stream. All right, guys. Peace out.